all are fine. Welcome to Cambridge Plus 2 Science Tutorial Nagar. Today we talk about another important video of class 11 biology, that is animal tissue. Yes, and try to focus mind if you're talking about organisms, that organisms are basically two types. One you can call that unicellular, and the second one you can call that multicellular. You know, unicellular means organism is made up of how many cell? Single cell. And in multicellular organism, the organism is made up of many cells. Yes. Unicellular कहिले आमे एकोकोशी जीव को बुझुचे एवं मल्टीसेलुलर कहिले आमे बहुकोशी जीव को बुझुचे. Yes. Try to guess my dear. जदि आमे देखिबा एकोकोशी जीव रे एटा गोटे मात्र कोष. Try to guess my dear. बुझे पे चेष्टा करो. एकोकोशी जीव रे रेस्पिरेशन बा श्वसन, न्यूट्रिशन बा पोषण, रिप्रोडक्शन बा जनन, एक्सक्रीशन बा रेचन. ए समस्त कार्य यूनिसेलुलर रे ए गोटिए मात्र सेल करि थाए. क्लियर? यदि हम मल्टीसेलुलर को देखिबा, ट्राई टू गेस माय डियर, बुझे पे चेष्टा करो. बॉडी इज मेड अप ऑफ ए नंबर ऑफ सेल्स. ओके, ट्राई टू गेस माय डियर, बुझे पे चेष्टा करो. बॉडी इज मेड अप ऑफ ए नंबर ऑफ सेल. विभिन्न संख्यार बा बहु संख्यार कोष रे यह गठित होइता. क्लियर? And try to guess my dear, here the respiration also takes place, here the nutrition also takes place, here reproduction also takes place, here excretion also takes place. Yes, but the different works, that is respiration or nutrition or reproduction or excretion, as basically takes place by a number of cells. ओके, किछि सेल थांती जो मान रेस्पिरेशन करंती, आउ किछि सेल थांती जो माने न्यूट्रिशन करि थांती, आउ किछि सेल थांती जो माने रिप्रोडक्शन करि थांती, आउ किछि सेल थांती जो माने एक्सक्रीशन करि थांती. यस, ताले ट्राई टू फोकस बुझे पे चेष्टा करो. इन मल्टीसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म, okay, where number of cells are present, okay, in that organism the cells modify their structure. The cells, this is the cell modify their structures to perform different function, to perform different functions. ओके, डिफरेंट देखो व्हिच वन. एकी बहुत प्रकार रो जीव, बहुत प्रकार रो सेल अछंती. ए बहुत प्रकार रो सेल रु किछि सेल रेस्पिरेशन करନ୍ତି, म ऑलरेडी कहि सारिछि. ताहाले सेमानकर स्ट्रक्चर अलगा करि थांती. आउ किछि जो माने न्यूट्रिशन करନ୍ତି सेमानकर स्ट्रक्चर अलगा थाए. जो माने रिप्रोडक्शन करନ୍ତି सेमानकर स्ट्रक्चर अलगा थाए. जो माने रेचर वा एक्सक्रीशन करନ୍ତି सेमानकर स्ट्रक्चर अलगा थाए. Which one the cells modify their structure to perform different function. So this is called cell differentiation. This is called which differentiation? Cell differentiation. Cell differentiation. एटी गोटिए सेल सब जगह काम करूची. So एटी cell differentiation मिलिबो नाही. But in multicellular organism, which one the cells modify their structure. सेल गुडा को तांको स्ट्रक्चर चेंज कर दियंती टू परफॉर्म डिफरेंट फंक्शन, विभिन्न प्रकार कार्य करिया पाई. वी कैन कॉल दैट सेल डिफरेंशिएशन. ओके, ट्राई टू गेस माय सेल डिफरेंशिएशन फाउंड इन केस ऑफ मल्टीसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म. यस, ओके, एंड ट्राई टू गेस माय डियर टू परफॉर्म डिफरेंट फंक्शन, डिफरेंट कार्य करिया पाई और फॉर डिवीजन ऑफ लेबर. Division of labor means काम को बांटिकी करिबा पाई. For division of labor, the cell differentiation found in case of multicellular organism, which one एते गुडे कोष भितरु किछि रेस्पिरेशन कले, आउ किछि काम कले. This is clear. This is to perform division of labor. What is found? Cell differentiation found. Okay, Clear? Now we talk about what is tissue. Clear? Let us focus mind here. What is tissue? If we are talking about tissue, the tissue, if we are talking about here, body is made up of a number of cells. In multicellular organism, basically which one? The cells are combined to form tissue. A group of cells. A group of cells. Okay, for which one? For formation of tissue, we need a group of cells. मतलब a number of cells. Yes. Which are having similar in structure. Which are having similar in structure, similar in origin, and similar in function. Then we can call that tissue. Clear? When a group of cells having similar in structure, similar in origin, and similar in function, we can call that tissue. Try to understand. This is a cell. Right? This is a cell. This is another cell. This is another cell. This is another cell. This is another cell. Means a group of cells, a number of cells. The first requirement for formation of tissue is which one? A group of cells. Okay? And try to focus mind here. Very interestingly, which one? This is the nucleus. Here, try to understand. A number of cells complete. Having similar in structure, try to understand which one structure here is equal to here, here, here. In all cells, they have similar in structure. Okay? Okay? Try to focus mind. This is pillar like or this is pillar like. This all are pillar like. So similar in structure. Similar in origin. Try to understand. This is important point. In case of which one animal, which one organisms are coming out from which one? Generally either 2 germ layers or 3 germ layers. You know germ layers. One is ectoderm, another is mesoderm, mesoderm. Next one is called endoderm. Okay, there is basically either 2 germ layers or in some organisms 3 germ layers are found. In 2 organisms, in which one when 2 germ layer is found, only ectoderm and endoderm is present. And in which one 3 germ layers are found, ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. Leave that. Try to focus on similar in origin. Matlab, these all cells, this cell coming out from ectoderm. This is also coming out from ectoderm. This is coming out from ectoderm. All the cells have similar in origin. All are coming out from ectoderm. Okay, try to understand. Or all are coming out from mesoderm, endoderm. Or all are coming out from mesoderm. Okay, all are coming out from endoderm. This is all cells. If this one coming from ectoderm, this one coming from mesoderm, this one coming from ectoderm. If this is that, then it is not similar in origin. Clear? So they should coming out from either this layer, or either from this layer, or either from this layer. Then we can call that similar in origin. And similar in function, if this cell perform respiration, this also helps in respiration, this also respiration, all are respiration. Then similar in function, then we can call that cells. Tissue. Okay, when a group of cells having similar in structure, similar in origin, and similar in function, then we can call that tissue. Okay, try to focus on. There is another definition is there. A group of structurally similar cells. Same, just only game in English, nothing else. A group of structurally similar cells having common embryonic origin. A group of structurally similar cells having common embryonic origin and performing similar function or functions. Okay, same. Structurally similar cells. That is similar in structure, having common embryonic origin. That is which one? Common in origin or similar in origin, and performing similar function or functions. This is, we can call that tissue. Okay. So first definition: a group of cells having similar in structure, similar in origin, and similar in function. We can call that tissue. Okay. Or another definition: a group of structurally similar cells having common embryonic origin and performing similar function or functions. We can call that tissue. Okay. बहुत गुड़िए सेल जहाँकर स्ट्रक्चर समान ही थाए एवं सृष्टि समान होते एवं समस्ते एक प्रकार काम करती ताहाको आमे टिश्यू बा तंतु कहबा. ओके, क्लियर? Try to focus. This is the basic fundamental about tissue. Okay, and try to focus, my dear. The tissue are basically which one named different in case of plants as well as animals. Okay, in case of animals, there is basically tissues are different. In case of plants, there is basically different types of tissues are found. Okay, in case of animals, there is basically, try to focus, my dear, which one 4 types of tissue found. Okay, before we know that, we are talking about some another things. Try to understand. The term tissue was coined by this tissue. Okay, it is basically derived from a French word. It is derived from a which word? French word. Okay, that is also tissue. It is derived from a French word that is called tissue, which means woven. That is some fabric like, or to weave. Okay, fabric जो कना तुम देखि पाछ कना, okay, ताको बुणीबा सेया को आमे कहू which one from that word, that meaning tissue. Okay, the term tissue was coined by a French word that is tissue, which means woven or to weave. Okay, a कना type एवं कना बुणा बुणी ए प्रक्रिया रु which one गोटे word रु आसेला which one tissue French word रु, and tissue is basically coming out from this French word that is tissue. Clear? There is a scientist whose name is known as Francois Xavier Bichat. Okay, that is FX Bichat. In short, Francois Xavier Bichat, a French scientist who coined the term tissue. ये जो टिश्यू वाटा तुमे सुनो छ एटा को which one जने साइंटिस्ट फ्रेंच साइंटिस्ट बाहर करथिले बा नामकरण करथिले whose name is known as FX Bichat. Clear? And if you study about the tissue, study of tissue, if you study about the tissue, study of tissue is called histology. Okay, the study of the tissue, if we study about the tissue, we can call it histology. Clear? The term histology was given by Karl Mayer. There is another scientist whose name is known as which one? Karl Mayer, in the year of 1819. 1819 मसीहारे कार्ल मेयर जने साइंटिस्ट से हिस्टोलॉजी वाटा देथिले. The term histology was coined by Karl Mayer in the year of 1819. Clear? And try to focus, my dear. FX Bichat is the first person who give the detailed idea about tissue, so he is known as father of histology. Next point. FX Bichat is known as father of histology. Question comes, who is known as father of histology? FX Bichat is known as father of histology. Clear? Try to focus, mind. Another term, if you're talking about what is that? Tissue. Another scientist that is known as, whose name is known as Marcello Malpighi. Whose name is known as which one? Marcello Malpighi. He is also known as founder of histology. Okay, which one? Marcello Malpighi has basically worked on separate branch of tissue. Okay, Marcello Malpighi is another scientist who work on separate branch of tissue. For that reason, he is known as founder of histology. Okay, this is the which one basically the torn tissue was coined by F.X. Bychart. The study of the tissue is called histology. Histology. The term histology was given by Karl Mayer in the year of 1819. F.X. Bychart is known as which one father of histology, and Marcello Malpighi develops a separate branch of tissue. Okay, to study tissue. Okay, which and for that reason Marcello Malpighi is known as founder of histology. Clear? That's the which one elementary idea about tissue. Okay, now we talk about which one different types of animal tissue. Okay, what is that? Different types of animal tissue. Let us focus about that. The animal tissue is basically of four types. Okay, the first types of animal tissue. Okay, try to guess my origin. Already told that there is three germ layers: ectoderm, endoderm, and mesoderm, from which the animal tissue is coming out. And the next one we can call that functions. Okay, one by one we can write that. The first one, which one there is basically four types of tissue are found. The first type, which one is called epithelial tissue. The first tissue is basically talking about which one animal tissue, that is called epithelial tissue, or we can call that epithelium epithelium. Okay, which one epithelial tissue is otherwise called epithelium. Okay, and try to guess my if you're talking about its origin, it is basically originated from three germ layers. That is from ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderm. It is the only type of tissue which originates from three germ layers, that is ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderm. Yes, and try to guess my dear. If you're talking about the functions, one by one we can tell about the functions. The first one is the main important function is protection. It helps in protection. Okay, you know it forms the outer covering of the body and helps in protection. If you which one, तुम जो skin देखो जो, the skin is made up of epithelial tissue or epithelium epithelium. Clear? And try to guess my second one. It helps in absorption. तुम्हें पढ़ी थी बात which one 8, 9, 10 रे which one finger like structure called villi जहाँ हमारा खाद्य अवशोषण सहायता करे बा observation ने सहायता करे. That is basically which one madam, which is so epithelial tissue. It helps in observation. Secretion. Try to guess माने देखी पारुछ तुमे which one झाड़ बाहर जो sweat gland रू बाहर लाल salivary gland रू बाहर exocrine gland रू enzyme बाहर अंतःस्रावी ग्रंथि बा which one endocrine gland रू हमर हार्मोन बाहर ताले एते सब पले which one एते सब gland कोटी स्थिति रही epithelial tissue and main function is secretion. Okay, try to guess my dear. The next function is which one? Secretion. Epithelial tissue situated on glands. जो ग्रंथि तुमे देखु छ से ग्रंथि epithelial tissue रे तयारी हेता है आ जार काम होची secretion. Okay, next one, try to guess my dear. Gaseous exchange. तुमे देख पार छ lungs, you know lungs, फुसफुस जोटी हमर exchange हुए गैस बॉडी भितरु कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एवं एटमॉस्फेयर रो ऑक्सीजन एक्सचेंज हुए. ओके, कोठी ना लंग्स रे गैसियस एक्सचेंज कहा दर हुए लंग्स रे एपिथेलियल टिश्यू अछि जहां गैसियस एक्सचेंज रे सहायता करे. क्लियर? ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड that which one the main function of epithelial tissue is protection, observation, secretion and gaseous exchange. Clear? So these are the main functions of epithelial tissue. Clear? Any doubts? If you have any doubts, clear, you can clarify that. Epithelial tissue, popularly called epithelium, which originate from three germ layers, that is ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm, and the main functions are protection, observation, secretion, gaseous exchange, etc. Okay, a number of functions are there. So this means. But now we are talking about the second type of tissue, that is connective tissue. Okay, try to guess my connective tissue. And try to guess my the connective tissue as basically coming out from mesoderm. It is coming out from mesoderm. Okay. Okay, the connective tissue कोठु आसी पिला माने which one सृष्टि तारा which derm रहिचे mesoderm. सेति पाई connective tissue को आउ गोटे सुंदर नाम हम डाकिले, that is called mesenchyme. The connective tissue is otherwise called mesenchyme because it is coming out from mesoderm. Clear? And the main function, if you are talking about attachment. Attachment. You know attachment means? It connects tissue to tissue. गोटिए tissue को बा गोटिए तंतु को आउ गोटे तंतु को जे जोड़े, एटा गोटे तंतु, एटा आउ गोटे तंतु, ताले ये होचुआ दुईटा तंतु को जे जोड़े ताको हमें कहबा कनेक्टिव टिश्यू. Try to understand. बुझे चेष्टा करो. एटा गोटे तंतु होचुआ एटा आउ गोटे तंतु. Try. ताले दुईटा तंतु को जे जोड़िला, we can call that connective tissue. Okay, that is called which meant attachment. Next one, storage. कनेक्टिव टिश्यू हमर फैट स्टोरेज सहायता करे बॉडी रे जो चर्बी जातीय खाद्य बा चर्बी स्टोर होची, दैट इज स्टोर्ड इन कनेक्टिव टिश्यू. दैट इज स्टोरेज. इट डील्स विथ इम्यून सिस्टम ऑफ द बॉडी. इम्यून सिस्टम डील्स विथ द इम्यून सिस्टम, बॉडी रो रोग प्रतिरोधक शक्ति सहित जड़ित इम्यून सिस्टम. जानिथिबो ब्लड कनेक्टिव टिश्यू अंडर आसी जोथिरा अछि श्वेत रक्त कणिका बा WBC. ओके, यह बॉडी को रोग प्रतिरोधक शक्ति जोगई था. क्लियर? द नेक्स्ट वन वी कैन कॉल दैट ट्रांसपोर्ट. ट्रांसपोर्ट ऑक्सीजन. ऑक्सीजन लंग्स को गला, लंग्स रु ब्लड माध्यम रे सेल को बा कोष को जाउची. राइट? ताले ऑक्सीजन नेला. सेमिति सेल रु कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड आनि के लंग्स रे छाडिया जो बाहर को गला, ताले उस ट्रांसपोर्ट ऑफ O2 CO2. ट्रांसपोर्ट ऑफ हार्मोन, पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड ग्रोथ हार्मोन एडी से प्रोडक्शन करूची, ताहा बॉडी जाक को जाउची. दैट इज होइछ वन हार्मोन ट्रांसपोर्ट. अमोनिया, यूरिया, यूरिक एसिड आदि जते सब वर्ज्य वस्तु होइछ वन कनेक्टिव टिश्यू द्वारा ट्रांसपोर्ट होची. द मेन फंक्शन इज ट्रांसपोर्ट. सो दीज आर द इंपोर्टेंट फंक्शंस ऑफ कनेक्टिव टिश्यू और व्हिच सेम mesenchyme. Now we are taking the next one, the third type of tissue. We are talking about the third types, that is muscular tissue. Which tissue? Muscular tissue, or popularly called muscle. Okay, try to focus my dear. This is mainly coming out from, it is mainly coming out from mesoderm. It is mainly, muscular tissue is mainly coming out from mesoderm, but few tissue, very less amount of, basically two number of tissue, that is called ciliary muscles. Okay, and try to guess my dear arrector pili muscle. Okay, leave that. Try to guess my dear. This is, they are coming out from which one? There is two muscles which are coming out from ectoderm. So muscular tissue mainly coming out from mesoderm, and which one? Few tissue, muscular tissue are coming out from ectoderm. So muscular tissue coming out from both mesoderm and ectoderm. Yes, and try to guess my dear about the functions. The main function is locomotion and movement. You know locomotion and movement? Try to guess my dear. Locomotion. If the body changes from one place to another places. Here, now the body is basically present here, and after a few seconds, I am here. The body changes from one place to another place. This is called locomotion. Okay, try to guess my dear. And what is movement? Body is constant, but body part is moving. Try to understand. मुएटी constantly छिड़ा है जी. मो हाथ तो हलुची, मो आँखी पता हलुची, मो जीभ हलुची, मो lips हलुची. That's much. If the body moves one place to another place, we can call that which motion? Locomotion. And but the which one? When body is constant, but body part is moving. Body part is moving. We can call that movement. So only muscular tissue or muscle which is helps in locomotion and movement. Okay, and the final one, that is nervous tissue. Okay, try to guess, my dear. This is which tissue? Nervous tissue. Clear? Try to understand. Nervous tissue. That's the important tissue that is basically coming out only from the. It is coming out only from the ectoderm. It is only coming out from the ectoderm. Clear? That is nervous tissue coming out from the originated from ectoderm, and the main function is control and coordination. Control, coordination. कंट्रोल करिबा एवं सम्मान समन्वय रक्षा करिबा नियंत्रण रक्षा करिबा जार काम. Okay, we can call that which one, which is so nervous tissue. Control and coordination by nerve impulse. Okay, nerve impulse माध्यम रे यह बॉडी रा प्रत्येक पार्ट को कंट्रोल करि थाए. ओके, हार्ट को कंट्रोल करता है, किडनी को कंट्रोल करता है, लिवर को कंट्रोल करता है एवं बहुत गुडी अंग भितर समन्वय रक्षा करता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड विजुअलाइजेशन, कोऑर्डिनेशन. दैट इज हेल्प्स इन कंट्रोल एंड कोऑर्डिनेशन. दिस इज व्हिच इज nervous tissue. Clear? So these are the four types of tissue, animal tissue. The first one we can call that epithelial tissue, which is coming out from, which is otherwise called epithelium. It is coming out from three zome layer, that is ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. It helps in protection, observation, secretion and gases exchange, etc. Okay, and the second one we can call that which tissue, connective tissue, which is otherwise called mesenchyme, because it is coming out from mesoderm. Mesoderm muscle, it is otherwise called mesenchyme. It helps in attachment, storage, immune system and transport. Clear? And muscular tissue, the next one, the muscular tissue, or which is popularly called muscle. It is coming out from mainly from mesoderm, and few muscles are coming out from which derm, ectoderm. It helps in locomotion and movement. Okay, and try to focus mind the final tissue, or the last tissue, that is called nervous tissue, which is originated from ectoderm and helps in control and coordination. So this is a basic fundamental about tissue. In the next class, we will talk about epithelial tissue. Okay, see you the next. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.